Hi there, this is Ajit. So welcome to Step by Step Data Science tutorial. So today we will discuss about how to analyze and handle duplication in SQL. So I will be using the demo site of PSP MyAdmin. So I will use try PSP MyAdmin, try demo. So I will go to Sakila database and then I will go to rental table. In rental table, if I do select asterisk from rental table, it gives me rental ID, rental date, inventory ID, customer ID, return date, staff ID, and last updated. If I want to see staff ID here, so this gives me list of all staffs ID from 2 to 1. Okay, so if I give here distinct, then this gives me unique staff ID, which is 1 and 2. So this is one of the way of removing duplication by adding distinct clause. Okay, so in my rental table, I have inventory ID and customer ID. If I see the concatenation of, if I concat my inventory ID and customer ID, then it will still give me 16,044 record. Okay, but if I do distinct here, this gives me 16,034 record. Now I want to analyze my 10 records. So how my 10 records has been removed through distinct clause. If I want to see my 10 records, what I can do is I can use here count asterisk. So what is my count asterisk? Count asterisk is my aggregate function. Okay. So if I use count asterisk aggregate function, then I need to use group by. Okay. So I will do group by this. So if I run this, this will give me count of all the combination of inventory ID and customer ID. So this combination has one count, this combination has one count, and so on. But we need the duplication, that the one that have two counts. So for that, what we will do is I will give this alias as CT, and I will do an order by CT and descending. If I do this, this will give me list of all duplicates value order on the basis of the combination of inventory ID and customer ID. So this combination has two records. Let's check why we have two records for this combination. So if I do a where clause here to check with concatenation of this and this is equals to, if I do a select asterisk and check, this is taking a bit of time. Okay, so if I check this combination of inventory ID, then here I can see that my inventory ID is my inventory ID and customer ID. So my inventory ID is 3552 and customer ID is 51, and my inventory ID is 355 and my customer ID is 251. So if we concat this and this will result in 355251. This will again result in 355251. So despite of these two records being different, as the customer ID is different, if we concat this and this, then it is gives me the same record, causing duplication. causing duplication. So how I can avoid this duplication is through concatenating dash in between inventory and customer ID, between inventory and customer ID. This is one way of removing duplication. We can also do another approach. We can use another approach if we want. So if we do dash, then it would be something like this: 52 dash. This will be a one record, and 355 dash 251. This will be another record. So let's add dash in between our concatenated result. So if I add dash here, comma, and if I do distinct, then this gives me 16,044 records. So this will consume more time because we are doing select and we are looking for each and every record. Okay, so if we do here count distinct instead of selecting the value, then we can see the count is 16,044. Okay, so if you don't include distinct, still your count is 16,044. So in this way, if you add dash here, you can see that you have handled your duplicate issue. Okay, so another way of looking at duplication is my combination of, so this combination had, if it didn't include dash and we did a count asterisk and we did a group by this and we did order by SCT, order by the CT descending. So this gives us, and we looked for this particular inventory ID and customer ID. Another way of checking duplication is simply, instead of doing order by, we can simply do a having clause here, having count asterisk greater than 1. What this does is, it all the combination that has the count greater than equals to 1. So whatever combination of inventory ID and customer ID we have, if these combination have a count which is greater than 1, then that should be my duplicate record. So if I click go here, so these are my duplicate record. And in this way, I can look at my one record and I can check my duplication. So duplication was removed by adding dash here. So if I add dash here, my duplication was removed. Now if I want to check if even by adding dash I have duplicate in my query or not, if I do go, so I don't have any result. That means we don't have any combination of this and this being duplicate. So we don't have any duplication after adding dash. Hope this video was helpful and makes sense to you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.